In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save as PNG with transparent background. If you've ever exported a logo or graphic and ended up with an unwanted white box around it, this is for you. PNG is a great format because it supports transparency, unlike JPEG, so your design can sit cleanly on any background without a visible rectangle behind it. First, make sure your artwork actually has a transparent background in your editor. Look at your Layers panel and remove or hide the background layer so you can see the gray and white checkerboard grid. That checkerboard isn't part of your image, it's just a visual cue showing where things are transparent. If you still see a solid color, that means there's still a filled layer or shape covering the canvas. Turn off visibility on any background layers or delete that fill so only your artwork remains over the checkerboard. This step is crucial. If the editor is showing white, you'll get white in your export. Once your background is truly transparent, go to the File menu and choose Export As. From the Format options, select PNG. In many programs, Save and Export behave differently. Save keeps your working file format, while Export prepares a copy for sharing. Choosing Export As and picking PNG tells your editor to create a shareable image that can preserve transparency. Before finalizing, look for the transparency settings in the export dialog. Different apps label it slightly differently. Things like transparency, alpha channel, or transparent background. But the idea is the same. Make sure that option is enabled so the checkerboard you saw in the editor becomes real transparency in the file. If you see options like background color, don't pick white or any solid color. Leave it transparent. This is also a good time to confirm the resolution and size if your editor shows those fields, but don't worry if it doesn't. What matters most is that transparency is turned on. Now click Save or Export to download your PNG with a transparent background. Give the file a clear name and confirm it ends with .png. After exporting, a quick way to sanity check your result is to place the PNG onto a colored background in a presentation or design tool. If you don't see a white box, you did it right. If you do, go back, make sure the background layer is hidden, and confirm that the transparency option is enabled in the export dialog. Also remember, some platforms convert images to JPEG during upload, which removes transparency, so keep your original PNG handy. And that's it. You've saved a PNG with a truly transparent background.